Hey kids, welcome to the wonderful world of grasshoppers. Today we're going to learn some super cool facts about these amazing insects. Ready? Let's hop to it. Grasshoppers are insects, which means they have three main body parts: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. They also have 6 legs, 2 antennae, and big eyes that help them see all around. Did you know that grasshoppers are some of the best jumpers in the insect world? They can jump up to 20 times their body length. That would be like you jumping over a whole school bus. They use their powerful hind legs to launch themselves into the air. Grasshoppers love to eat plants. They munch on leaves, grass, and sometimes even flowers. Their strong jaws help them chew through tough plant material. Yum! Grasshoppers go through a cool life cycle. They start as tiny eggs, then hatch into nymphs, which look like mini grasshoppers without wings. As they grow, they shed their skin several times. Finally, they become adult grasshoppers with wings, ready to hop and fly around. Have you ever heard a grasshopper chirping? They make sounds by rubbing their hind legs against their wings. It's called stridulation. Different grasshoppers make different sounds to communicate with each other. It's like their own special language. Time for some fun facts. Grasshoppers have been around for over 250 million years. There are about 11,000 different species of grasshoppers. Some grasshoppers can change color to blend in with their surroundings. Sneaky! Grasshoppers are truly amazing creatures, full of surprises and cool abilities. Next time you see one, take a moment to watch it closely and appreciate just how incredible these little insects are. Thanks for hopping along with us today. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome nature videos.